Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. First thing I'm doing first is moisturizing my face, and I'm using Lubriderm daily moisturizer. And next I'm using my Kiss Beauty makeup fix to hydrate my face and to prep my face for the makeup. Next I'm using Kiss Beauty illuminating primer to set face. I want a glossy and glowing look, like kind of a dramatic date night makeup look. So yeah, next I'm going for my foundation. As usual, I use Milani 2-in-1 foundation plus concealer in chestnut. I'm always running out of it, so I'm applying it batch by batch. I'm using my foundation brush to blend it all out. Anyone, or your beauty blender, anyone you are comfortable with, you can use it to blend your foundation. So I applied a very tiny bit of the foundation because I don't want it cakey, as I want a glossy and glowing makeup look. Yeah, if that makes sense. Blend until it's even. Yeah, next I'm going for my LA Pro concealer in warm honey, and I'm applying it under my eyes to make the eyes look more brighter, if that makes sense. Next I'm going for my concealer brush to blend the concealer out like so. I'm going to blend until there is no creasing. I'm guessing that today's makeup look is going to look more brighter, if that makes sense. So I don't really like makeup look that is more brighter. I like a kind of nude, natural, flawless makeup look. But yeah, we move. I kind of want to show you guys how makeup can be diversified. You cannot be doing makeup all the time and have the same look. Even with different clients, it's not possible you have the same look. Makeup is very diversified. You can never have the same looks of makeup either on yourself or on several clients. It's not possible. It's just how unique and how artistic makeup is, if that makes sense. Next I'm going for my Usher contour powder palette, and I'm using my fluffy brush, powder brush rather, to set my under eyes like so. So before you go in to bake your under eyes, you need to set your under eyes with a powder first, if that makes sense. Moving forward, we learn every day. So guys, there is no one that knows it all. Let us be open-minded, if that makes sense. It's kind of an advice and an encouragement. Okay, yeah. Next I'm going for my brows. I'm using my spoolie to brush up my brows. I'm using Davis eye pencil to draw my eyebrows like so. I don't know if you guys notice, I've been repeatedly saying, if that makes sense in this video. It is well though. That's how you draw your brow. You first outline your underbrow, then the upper brow like so, then you fill in the brows. That's all. Easy peasy, right? Yeah, next I'm using my concealer palette to clean up my eyebrows like so. I've told you earlier I want a brighter look today, since it is a date night makeup, if that makes sense. I'm so sorry guys, I don't know that my camera was off while I was doing the makeup. I just discovered now that the camera was off, so pardon me guys. I'll just narrate how I do the eyes for you guys. I use Jackie Hill Murphy palette, eyeshadow palette. I first go with this darker shade, then I now went to this blue shade, then this black shade, then I blend everything together. Please guys. Next I'm going into my liner. I'm going to line my lid like so. Yeah, this makeup is quite easy to achieve if you have been practicing. To achieve a flawless makeup look, you need to keep on practicing every day, because you become a pro through practicing, right? Next, I'm going for my eye pencil. Can you see the eyes? The eyes is giving. Can you see that blue lid? I love every bit of it. Do you get? It's so beautiful. Yeah, next I'm going to clean off the excess of the eyeshadow, the fallout. I'm going to clean it with my concealer, and I'm going to dab with my concealer brush. So I'm going to blend until there is no more harsh line. So I'm going to set the concealer that I apply with my powder, using my powder brush, like so. I blend until everything is even, if that makes sense. So yeah, next I'm going for my under eyes. I'm using that dark brown to smoke the under eye, like so. This final touch on the eyes will make it look a little bit dramatic. Then next I'm going for my blush. I'm kind of using pink blush there. I'm going to shoot out the cheekbone with that blush. So I'm applying a little, because a little goes a long way. So I blend until it's even and satisfying. Next, I'm going for my glow. I'm going to using Anastasia Beverly Hills glow palette. I'm using that shade. Wow, the glow is blinding. The glow is blinding. Anastasia Beverly Hills glow palette is the best. Can you see that glow? It's so extreme. See the shine. Oh my god. I'm going to apply it all over my lip to make the lip pop out when I apply my lipstick. So I'm applying on the bridge of my nose, like so. Next, I'm going to apply my lashes. I've already applied my eyelash glue on it, so I'm kind of blowing out to make it a little bit sticky before I put it on my lashes. So next, I'm going for my mascara. I'm using the 2-in-1 eyeliner and mascara, like so. Yeah, I think this makeup is about to be done. I'm going for that nude shade for my lip to outline my lip, like so. Oh, I love these lipsticks. So perfect, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'm going for another nude as well. I'm using 2 nude on the lip. One thing I want you to note is that when you are doing a dramatic eye in your makeup, you need to go with a nude lip. You don't want everything to be too bright, too shiny, if that makes sense. Next, I'm going for my spray, and we are done. I'm using Classic Makeup Mix and Fix setting spray, and here is the final look. Look at the beauty. So gorgeous, so pretty. Subscribe, guys. Bye. Love you. Mwah.